Group Captain Animesh Patni of the Indian Air Force was awarded the Veer Chakra for leading a historic 314 km surface-to-air missile strike during Operation Sindoor. Commanding an S-400 Air Defense Regiment, he successfully downed a high-value Pakistani AEWC aircraft. Group Captain Animesh Patni of the Indian Air Force was awarded the Veer Chakra for executing a world record 314 km surface-to-air missile strike during Operation Sindoor, India's strategic precision campaign against terror hubs in Pakistan. In total, 15 gallantry awards were conferred for the operation, including to 9 IAF pilots, 4 Army soldiers, and 2 BSF personnel. Launched in May 2025 following a deadly terror attack in Pahalgam, Operation Sindoor targeted 9 major terror-linked sites in Pakistan, including in Meerut, Bahawalpur, and Pak. India employed long-range standoff weapons, loitering munitions, and air-launched missiles, signaling a major escalation in its counter-terror strategy. Despite retaliatory attempts by Pakistan, India's advanced air defense network, including the S-400 system, neutralized most threats. The 88-hour operation reshaped India's doctrine on cross-border retaliation, focusing on deep precision with minimal collateral damage. Hailing from Baran, Rajasthan, Animesh Patni began his IAF career in 2005 as a MiG-29 fighter pilot. Rising quickly through the ranks due to his combat excellence, Patni transitioned to lead an S-400 Air Defense Regiment, a rare move for a former fighter pilot. His leadership, tactical instincts, and technical acumen made him the perfect choice to command the operation's most high-stakes mission. On May 7, 2025, Patni's regiment executed a landmark air defense operation by shooting down a Pakistani Saab 2000 Ariai AEWC aircraft, a high-value target 314 kilometers inside Pakistani airspace near Dingda. The engagement, using the Russian-origin S-400 Triumph system, shattered global records and neutralized Pakistan's key airborne surveillance asset. The IAF credited Patni's decision-making and the system's precision for the success. 2 other officers from the unit, WG-CDR Milind Londa and WG-CDR Keshav Sharma, were mentioned in dispatches. On Independence Day 2025, President Draupadi Murmu awarded the Veer Chakra to Group Captain Animesh Patni and 15 other brave personnel. These included 9 IAF fighter pilots, 4 Army soldiers, 2 BSF personnel. All played critical roles in the execution of OPERA.